Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a wash and go using Cream of Nature's Pure Honey line. A while ago I went to Sally's beauty supply store and they had a Cream of Nature event where they were giving out samples and stuff, and so I bought the twisting cream, and then they gave me a bag with like shampoo, conditioner, leave-in detangler, and the hair mask. So that's what I will be using today. So first I detangled my hair using water and my Detangler brush. So then I washed my hair with the shampoo and conditioner, and my hair felt so moisturized after rinsing the conditioner out. Next I'm going to put my hair into 4 sections and begin applying the hair mask. The hair mask was very thick and creamy, which I loved. So next I'm going to use my heating cap and let that sit on my hair for about 15 minutes. So after rinsing the hair mask out, my hair didn't feel as moisturized anymore. So I was kind of nervous about that. But next I put in the leave-in detangler, and that made my hair feel really sticky and greasy. And I hate my hair feeling like that, but I just kept it pushing, and I was like, hopefully it all ends up working out. So I'm just applying the leave-in detangler and then using the Detangler brush to detangle my hair. So to style my hair, I'm going to use the twisting cream, and I know you're thinking, twisting cream, you should be twisting your hair, but the instructions said I can use it to do a wash and go, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm just using the raking method to apply it to my hair. This twisting cream is pretty heavy, so my hair felt even more weighed down. And I'm not gonna lie, I was mad, but it gets better. So when I began drying my hair, I realized that my hair was not weighed down and it felt very moisturized and still flowy, and so it all turned out pretty good. So now I'm just stretching my hair. My roommate was dropping tea as I was doing my hair, and so I was pretty shook by it. But anyways, these are my results. But you know I cannot forget to lay my edges, so I'm going to go in with my edge control and lay my edges. These are my final results. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.